Right, so the boosters had its first wash. And I'm not brilliant at washing, as you can quite clearly see. But for the state it was in, and I should have videoed it beforehand, it was proper rot and the wheels were absolutely black. So now got a slight adjustment to do on the chain, and then not really impressed with this. I know I haven't massively looked after it, but that's a lot of rust, surface rust, very quickly. So I'm going to water sole that and see if that cleans up a bit, and then ACF 50 all the bits I can get to, give it a bit of protection. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. So let's do this chain. It doesn't need much. It's now loosen that bolt off, it's tight enough. Oh dear. So I'm just going to give it a quarter of a turn either side and see what that does for it. That's a bit better. Let's say about 20. About 20 mil. Should be alright, shouldn't it? Hang on a minute. Let's find the tight point. Which, by the looks of it, that probably was it. Yep, that's good. And also I've been using Worth High Performance Dry Chain Lube, which I started to use on my Gixxer 600 before I sold it, and it's a lot cleaner, that's for sure. And you can tell it's all, you know, that's just from handling the chain. It's definitely greased. Yeah, so I'm quite impressed with that, actually. Quite impressed with that. Alright, do my usual, jam a spanner in there. Jam the spanner in, and then do it up. Something like that should do it. Yeah, that's good. Tighten the adjusters back up. That'll do. Right, let's give this a, let's get that dab of dirt off. I missed. Right, let's try a bit of this autosol on this rust bits. Wow, makes a bit of a difference, doesn't it? Little spots down there. Quality. Right, I'll carry on with that. I won't bore you with the details. Right, so this side's not quite as bad, but it does give you an idea of how it was. And this is the one that's just been cleaned up. So, not back to showroom condition, but certainly a hell of a lot better. I'll stick a bit of ACF 50 over it to give it a bit of protection, and then we'll see how it wears. But yeah, not overly impressed with how quickly that went. Not for, what was it, 400 or 500 quid's worth of exhaust. But there you go, they do sound good though. Oof. So that's that done now. And it's got a dull haze to it, obviously, where the well, not obviously, where the ACF 50's gone over it. But that's a clean bike. That's as clean as I get them anyway. Yeah, I just use that muck off spray on, leave it, and then wash it off, and then muck off spray shine, which takes the rest of the water off and leaves it with a waxy protective coating. And then the metal bits that I can find, which is mainly the exhaust and the swing arm, gets ACF 50'd, and that's it. That's it done. Now to get the V-Strom round.